I am here at the CITWC Nature Park in the campus of the Westside Community Church in Toledo, Ohio. And one of the trails that does not have access to the parking lot is the Willow Spur. The Willow Spur is a short trail that does pass by a willow tree, the only one we found so far in our nature park. Along the Willow Spur, we can see some red twig dogwood, and then we have a cultivar of it, which is yellow twig here. Actually, I passed the yellow. The yellow is right here. Here you can see a lot of the red twig, which you can see the red, and then here background, it is still red twig dogwood, but it has, for some reason, has developed into a yellow twig, which really stands out at this time of the year, and I'm sure it would stand out even more if it was snow covered here. There you can see probably one of the deer trails that goes through the woods, one of the many deer trails. And I think there's another one right there. Here you can still see in the background, there's still some plants with some leaves on it at the end of December. Many of the plants that have leaves still on at this time of year are non-native invasive plants, which we are trying to remove from the park, but it is very hard to do because there are so many. And here we are coming to the end of the trail. And my hat just got caught on a blackberry vine and came off. Here we are at where the Willow Spur connects to the West Trail, and just beyond there is the creek, and to our right it connects with the main access trail and the East Trail, and to the west the West Trail goes back towards the front of the park and accesses into or intersects into the Prairie Trail.